Hey guys, well today I'm going to make creamy cilantro sauce. It is so good and you could literally put this on anything. First thing you're going to do is get a bunch of cilantro. You're going to wash it and cut the stems off. And then we're going to put this in a food processor or a blender, so you will want to have that out as well. Alright guys, so I went ahead and chopped it a little bit more while it was still down here on the mat. And that way it would fit nicely in here. And so we're gonna go ahead and blend this now. All right, now that everything's blended down really good, I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 cloves of garlic. Then you're going to add jalapenos. Now, a little info on this. The recipe, you can put up to 4 jalapenos, as little as 1. I've done it with 1. This is one really huge one that I found. But it just depends on how hot you want it. So anywhere from 1 to 4, you could clean out the middle part and remove the seeds. Now, if you leave the seeds in, it will be a little hotter. So I left a few in there. So then you put this in. And let's go ahead and mix that up. All right, so I always like to use like a little scraper, and you can always bring it back in the middle. So that way really blends well. And I'll probably do this one more time because the jalapenos weren't completely shredded up. All right, let's blend it up real good again. I think that should be good. Okay, the next 2 ingredients I'm going to add are 3 tablespoons of mustard and a whole cup of mayonnaise. All right guys, so there are your condiments. 1 cup of mayo and 3 tablespoons of mustard. And now I can go ahead and blend this together. All right guys, so look at this, so good you guys. But we're going to add 2 more ingredients and then that's it. You're going to do half a teaspoon of cumin. Sorry about that guys. And a half teaspoon of salt, or a little more to taste. So I would start out with your half teaspoon and then add more if you so desire. There you go. The salt's in there, the cumin's in there, and let's go ahead and blend it one more time. And there you have it, guys. I just tasted it, and it is amazing. You can literally put this on anything. And the 1 jalapeno didn't even make it too spicy. In case for those that don't like really spicy food, I think that if you add a lot more, it would be a lot more spicier. So anyway, this is amazing. I wish you could taste it. It is amazing. It's a very simple recipe and you can add it on anything you'd like. And there you go guys. You guys can put it in a jar and store it in the fridge for about 7 days. It could go a little longer. I'd say 7, the max 10. You could put it over your eggs, you could put it in your burritos, you could put it on your tacos, you could put it on your salads, anywhere that you want to put this. I hope you guys make this and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.